What is the most unattractive physical quality someone can have? 1. I had a math teacher who used to foam at the mouth. It wasn't rabies related, he just had foam build up on the corners of his mouth. 2. Some people naturally make smells and sounds that literally makes me wanna run. 3. Bad BO, I smelled a dude from a table away at a bar and I had to quit drinking and just leave. 4. That beard which kind of just looks like they got a couple of fly legs glued to their face. 5. When they have just a strip of hair left but refuse to shave their heads. 6. Nose hairs that rustle with the slightest breath or spoken word. We had a dude nicknamed Nostradamus because of his aversion to nose hair trimmers. 7. I'm not sure if this is admissible, but if someone eats in a disgusting way, it makes me physically wretched to be around them. My friend eats like a effing pig and I have to leave the room. 8. Long toenails. Even if they're clean. All I can think about is how many band-aids the people who share a bed with them need on their legs. 9. I respect the gains, the hard work it takes to maintain it, and the way it is also a form of art, but I personally don't find the